Hey everyone, here's a question from exercise 8.2 fourth question. Chapter is decimal of class 6. Now this is based on the new syllabus. The question is express as kilometer using decimals. So we have to convert meters into kilometers. And before we do this, let us understand how many meters are there in 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, so when you convert the kilometer to meter, you multiply. Whenever you're converting higher unit to smaller unit, we multiply. When you're converting a smaller unit to a higher unit, you will divide. So in this question, we're converting meter to kilometer. We want answer in kilometer and the questions are given in meter. We're converting meter to kilometer. That is smaller unit to higher unit, which means we're going to divide. But what number we're going to use, like which number we have to divide here? We're going to divide this by 1000 because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, right? So we're going to divide this by 1000. So let's start with the first question. 8 meters. So convert this into a kilometer. So 8 divided by 1000 kilometer. So I have written the units different here. Before it was meter, now I have written kilometer because I have divided this by 1000. So you have to change this. Here if you put meter, then the value will change. So when you're dividing this by 1000, you have to change the unit, you write kilometers. Now in your lower classes, that is in the 5th or 4th class, you have learned how to convert this into decimal. Whenever you have a 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, that is number which has a 1 and zeros, you're gonna have one trick to convert this directly. Instead of dividing it, you're gonna just directly convert it. How to do it? Now see, you have a 3 zeros in denominator, right? So in the number, the whole number what you have in the numerator, we have to put decimal point after 3 places from right side. So right side means from the extreme end of the number. So we have 8 here, there is no other number. From the right side, that is from here, I have to start. 8, there's only one number, but I want 3 numbers here, right? So 8, I'm going to use 0. And then 0, I'll put decimal point and then 0. So you can see from the right side, that is from the extreme end of the number, I have put the decimal point after 3 places because there are 3 zeros. So 8, there's no number, so I have to use a 0. So 800.0. It's from the last time reading it. The value is 0.008 kilometer. So this is how you're going to convert this. Whenever you are converting this into decimal, just count number of zeros. You put decimal point from the right side after that many places. If you have 3 zeros, after 3 places you have to put decimal. If you have 2 zeros, after 2 places you have to put decimal point from the right side. That is from the end of the number you have to start. Then the next question. We have 88 meters now. So this is equal to 88 divided by 1000 kilometer. So this is equal to, we have 3 zeros, right? So 8, then 8, 2 numbers are over, then 0, then put decimal 0. So 0.088 kilometer is the answer. Then the next question. We have 8,888 meter. It's like a previous question only. So 8,888 divided by 1000 kilometer. So we have a 3 zeros in denominator, so after 3 places, that is 8, then 8, then 8 from right side, 3 places are over, put decimal point and then 8. So 8.888 kilometer is the answer. Now the last question. Now this question is a bit different than the previous questions. Now here we have kilometer and meter. So when this type of questions are given, what you should do is keep the kilometer same, you just convert the meter part. So this is equal to 70 kilometer plus 5 meter. So convert only 5 meter. So 70 kilometer plus 5 divided by 1000 kilometer. Now this will be equal to 70 kilometer plus, we have only one number, right? 5. So you're going to use zeros here. So it's 5. We put 2 zeros. Put decimal point and then 0. So 0.005 kilometer. Now we add it. So it will be 70.005 kilometer. That's it. I hope it is clear how to find the value. like how to convert the meter into kilometer. Now in case you have a further questions on the conversion, you can drop a comment. I'll try to make a video on it. Thank you so much for watching.